concentrate on the high-level overview of business capabilities which placing API submission and quote delivers. And for that, I will use the diagram which can be found on the developer portal. So starting in the home page, let's go to Explore and Innovate, where we can see the APIs catalog, and let's go to Submission and Quote. Here in the Developer API Overview area, we've got a section on the business context, which I will use as aid to talk about high-level business capabilities. The diagram here provides not only the high-level context of the value chain, but also the focal point for the capabilities within the first stages of placing. So at the top, we have a very simplified value chain, which allows us to position the placing API at the very beginning of the chain, specifically a quotation process. It is important to stress at this point that we are talking here about a complex risk contract placements, where in reality, this would be primarily the documents with a handful of associated structured data points supporting both the smooth placing process as well as the key characteristics of risk. The position on the placing segment of the value chain means that we do have brokers and carriers benefiting from the delivered capabilities of the API. And more specifically for brokers, that would be creating submissions, creating and managing a submission versions, supplying documents, retrieving the markets from the placing platform, which is linked to submitting to underwriters, as well as retrieving quotes and various documents and information which effectively is exchanged between the placing dialogue parties. And on the carrier's side, as one might expect, there is ability to retrieve those submission details across versions with associated documents, act upon submissions with the selection of different responses which are currently provided through the platform, as well as provide quotations back to the brokers. To sum it up, a number of business capabilities supporting complex risk placements for single section submission and quotation. Important to mention here is what is not yet implemented in the current version, and this includes multi-section placements, facilities including declarations, ad hoc messaging and withdrawals and closures of submissions. Finally, a reminder that the APIs focus on supporting complex risk placements, and with the exception of those not yet implemented features, covers all business aspects of submission quote business activities.